Hello, my dear young and energetic physiognomy. A very warm welcome to Diksha Vedanto YouTube channel. I'm your master teacher Neha ma'am. In today's session, we'll be discussing about Virat Kohli. Okay, what students must learn from Virat Kohli. You'll be admiring at Virat Kohli, right? He's such a great cricket sports person. His life is so amazing. These things, that things, and all. You'll be admiring at Virat Kohli. Many of you will be the fans of Virat Kohli, right? So, as being a student, what you can learn from him, that is extremely important. Whomever you admire, you'll be just seeing at them. You'll be admiring them. Just don't do that. Try to learn the things from them. Okay, try to learn the things what you can inculcate in your journey to improve yourself. Okay, as that I have got today's session, what we can learn as a student, what you can inculcate, the qualities of Virat Kohli, we'll be discussing in today's session. And let me start today's video. Let me enter to the session. Yeah, so starting with, most of everybody will be just seeing at the one phase of the life, that is the success. This car he had bought, these many cups, these many prizes, awards he had won, and he has the largest followers in the Instagram. You'll be just seeing at one end the success and the glory, the beautiful things. You'll be just seeing at that. But as a human, as a student, what you also should see is the other end, that is called as hard work. To get this success, to get this glories, there should be a hard work behind, right? Just don't only see the success, just see their hard work, see their struggles, see their difficulties, what they have overcome through their life. Because this is the end result, but this is the process that has been followed. Because if you want these kind of success, if you want these kind of glories, you must undergo the hard work, the struggle, the things which are to be followed in the path. Okay, so just don't only jump, just don't only be seeing the success of the people. Understand the process which made them these successful. Okay, let's start then today's session. Okay, I'm starting with the beginning stories of Virat Kohli's life. Okay, there are some stories I'll be discussing you. See, when he was just he was just 8 or 10 year old. Okay, he demanded his teacher, okay, the one who used to his coach. Okay, he demanded to his coach that I want to play with elder students, elder cricket players, right, of 15 years old. Because you can see that he's, let me tell you clearly, okay, let me tell you that clearly. Listen, he was good player in his team with the same age to children's, right? He can only restrain himself there only, right? He can think, I am the great. In 10 members, I am the great. He can, if he says that, okay, if understand my things, these are extremely important. Okay, he was good in 10 members. He could have thought that I'm the best, I'm the good, and he could have played in that 10 members team and get the glories, get the winning and all. But he didn't do that. What he did, he took himself to a step forward. So that's required. If you think you are the topper in your class or your school, don't restrain yourself. But because there are other things, right? Outside world is not so small. If you want to do really something big, really something good, you have to move forward at every step. You cannot say that I'm done, I'm the great here. You don't have that, you cannot say that, right? There is something which you have to learn, which you have to move forward. So be aware of that. Okay, he went to play with the higher elder students, elder players than him. And what happened? One person with the anger that the small kid is playing with us, we must remove him out. With that mentality, one guy threw a ball with a very high speed that got him hit. Okay, it made the pain and all, but he didn't share the story with his mom. Okay, he didn't discuss about the thing with his mother, because if he tell that to his mother, okay, she would have stopped him playing, right? Whatever hurt, whatever difficulty he was having, he was not running out of that. Okay, because he had so much love towards his cricket. He was so much into the cricket that whatever pain or injuries he was getting, he was not cared about that, because he don't want to leave the cricket at any time. If it not only studies, if your passion is something, it may be cricket or it may be the different field, just don't quit it, right? So you must have that zeal, you must have that zid, you must have that fight. Okay, zid is required, the fight, whatever happens, I'll do that. That's fire is required, fire of winning. Trying, working hard and practicing. Pains can't stop me. Whatever pain that comes in the way, that cannot stop me from reaching my goal. That should be your mentality. That should be your mindset, which you can learn from him. And the next thing is consistency. Whatever exam, studies or whatever thing, consistency is required. Whatever field you want to choose, consistency is required. Consistency is nothing but working regularly. It may be small steps, but taking the steps regularly. Never ever break the rule. If you break the rule, if you take laziness, that is not accepted. That cannot take you forward. Okay, let's read out a quote by Virat Kohli. Whether you want to do with full passion and work really hard towards it, don't look anywhere else. If just you should be focused towards your goal. Nowhere else. No, you cannot have distractions. You cannot have, I can't do this. Today I don't want to work. No, this is not. If you want to do something big, you have to strain yourself. You have to push your limits. That is required. Okay? Moving forward, interpretation. We must be aware. We just not working. You must interpret what I'm doing and what's the outcome. What am I making some mistakes? Should I correct it? You must interpret yourself, right? Be aware, analyze yourself, know your mistake and correct it. Whatever mistake you're doing, correct it. There's a possible way to change your mistakes, right? We can see that initially, the change in Virat Kohli also, right? Initially, he was not that, right? Oh, I hope you're getting my point. He understood that he has to change. Being in the videos, okay, his interview also, you can see that he himself, he had admitted that I was not so serious with my diet and things and all. So when he realized that this is not going to take him forward, right? At that time he stopped and he thought, this is not, I can't do this. I can't do this thing again. Okay? He changed himself. He changed everything. And now you can see what he is, right? So that is required. Analyzing ourselves. Aggression. So aggression, we think that aggression is bad. It's not bad. You can channelize your aggression in a positive way also. You can take that determination, take that strength, take that fire to achieve some good goals. It's not always taking towards the bad things, right? You can channelize. If you're aggressive, you can channelize that to the positive things to get the positive outcome. Yeah, so use that power, keep that strength, keep that zeal and all. So, and as a human being, kindness is extremely important. Whatever field you are an actor, cricketer or something else, kindness is the basic human nature and a person should have it. It's not addition, it should be mandatory with everyone. If you are a doctor, if you don't have the kindness towards your patient, if you're a teacher, if you don't have kindness towards your student, so that's not that worth, right? So as a human being in any profession, kindness is mandatory, and you can see the examples of kindness provided by Virat Kohli also. Right? So have that kindness, in that aggression, in that strength, everything. You must be down to earth also. You must be kind to the people also. So that is also required. As I said, we saw the transformation of Virat Kohli. He accepted his weaknesses, right? He accepted the things. Yes, I'm doing this wrong. And there's no bad in accepting what is her mistake. Okay, if you did any mistake, if you're doing any mistake, accepting that, it's not a bad, it's a positive change. Plan to correct that mistake. Take your actions. Believe everything will go well. Responsibility. Take the responsibility. Take your wellness. Take your care. Everything is required. So transformation is required. If you think there should be a transformation within you, you have to work towards it. Simply nothing will come like a day, some star will not come and change in a sudden. It's a process, it's a struggle which has to be done. Right? So questions to ask to yourself. Look at you once and think, is this who you want to be? Look at yourself. Look at yourself and think, is this what I want to be? Or there should be something change, something different I want from me. Not for others, not for anybody else. It's for me, right? For yourself. Just be true to yourself. Truly answer. And if you think that there is some flaw, something has to be corrected, then work towards it. Work hard. Right? Yeah, so this was about today's video. Summarizing all the things, keep that zit. Keep consistently working towards your goal. Interpret at the things, what is going on right, what's not right. Keep that aggression in the positive way. Be humanity. Keep that humanity within you. Transform yourself if you see any flaw. And yeah, self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. So believe in yourself, work hard, and you will get the success. And this was about today's session. I hope you enjoyed this session. So if you like the video, just hit the like button, share the videos with your friends, and thank you so much for watching this video. And let me know in the comment section, are you enjoying how these videos are feeling for you? Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet again in the next session. Bye.